the box.
Put that inside. Okay, it should slide in pretty easy. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Yes or No Item Review. My name is Omar, and today's item is the NatureBond Baby Food Feeder Fruit Feeder Pacifier. We're gonna unbox it right now. Right.
Wow! So what's included? Oh, I like the box.
So this is what comes inside that box right there, and I'm going to take this instruction booklet and read it to you. So it comes with 2 baby fruit feeders. They gave you additional 2 small sized teats, 2 medium sized teats. The small teats are for 1 to 6 month olds, and the medium is 6 to 9 months old. The large ones that are inside are for 12 months and over. Right now, we're going to disassemble one of them to show you how to wash it. So you need to wash every single part in here before you use it.
Sanitize it for your baby.
So look at this latch right there. Look at that. So I take this out. I take this out. All right, so that's 1, 2. So here's the cover. 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to demonstrate how to put them in. So you take the teat and you put it in this socket right here. There it is. All right, so now you have that. Now you take this guy, a little cap looking thing, and you'll notice that there are 2 tabs right there. Put that inside. Okay, it should slide in pretty easy. And you notice the tabs are in there. Next, you're gonna look at the 2 slits right there, and you go into a line. So in this case, it's gonna be right there. All right, so it should be snug. There you go. So now you notice there's a dial right there, and you'll notice that you can go up and it goes down. So that means you did it correctly. Once you put food in there, you can close it, and then you have this lock right there. And once you have that, your baby can now do his eating through here. If he doesn't want it yet and you want to save, then it goes like this. It should snap, and that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and test it and actually feed our son. For this review, I used baby food and filled it up about halfway. I closed it up, and the purpose of the dial is to push the food forward toward the bottom of the teat, just like this. When I gave the feeder to my son for the very first time, I realized I should not have showed my baby the feeder with the food inside, because he treated the feeder as if it was a toy. It got pretty messy due to my son throwing, waving, and squeezing the feeder around like he would with any other toy. However, after about a minute, he realized that there was food in the teat, and when he got used to the food, he ended up feeding himself and loving his new pacifier. Therefore, my tip to the parents is that you should probably let your baby play with the feeder first before putting food in it.
So, Mr. Omar, yes or no?
I think this is a yes. This is a great product.
Why?
Because it's perfect for weaning off the powdered milk. Not only weaning off, you can actually use this when they are young, like a month old, all the way 6 months, and you can see, you saw that they have different sizes, right? So you can even use this for a year old and above. Out of 3,496 people on Amazon, it got a 4.5 star. That's pretty darn amazing, and I don't think they're wrong. This is pretty cool. I like this. And this is BPA free, latex free, and lead free. So that tells me it's very, very safe for your kid. So if I were to say something bad about this thing, the only thing I'm concerned about is when I first opened it, it was really hard to open the latch right here. It's actually not bad. I was just afraid I was gonna break it. That's how I felt anyway, but look at this. See that? It's a little tough, but I guess that's normal. But other than that, that's the only bad thing I could find in this thing. And to mention, you know, this is a food feeder, a fruit feeder, an infant teething toy. It's all combined in one little toy. Alright guys, if this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing because it lets me know that content like this helps you out. Also, let me know your opinion about this item in the comment section below because I would love to hear from you. And if you want this specific item, the link is in the description section. Until then, I will see you in the next item.